Hi, in this video, we will quickly overview metal frame pool with filter pump. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. This pool the affordable alternative to a more complicated steel-walled pool, yet it provides durability and stability greater than inflatable pool options. Extra strong sidewalls are made with 3 separate layers of material. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Supported by strong, durable steel frames which are powder-coated for rust resistance and beauty. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this round frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits: easy to assemble, ready for water in 30 minutes. A durable, lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. The filter pump provides improved circulation and filtration for improved water clarity. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.